Heading to the old lake. Right at the boat, baby. It's a little guy, but we're not getting skunked. Better one. I'm telling you, man, they can't resist it. I usually make these about 3/8 ounce. It's just the way I like it. I love that color right there with the white head on it. I've had more luck with that color than any other bait I've ever used. Fish. I thought it was a daggone. It's number 3 on the spinner. Say that. Little guy, number 4. I would rather catch 20 close to keeper fish than go out and catch one 5-pounder. That's just me. Everybody's different. Another little guy. A little bit bigger one. Keep in mind, I have caught all these today off of this spinnerbait. This is one I made. I do have these available for sale on my Facebook page. Sometimes you just got to get out and fish and not use the graphs and just enjoy it.